Big Al in the F12 out for a ride. Look at this traffic. It's crazy. Holiday traffic. Nowhere to go. Labor Day. I need a racetrack. Anyway, I got the sticky dash in. We got the sticky buttons. Everything's mint. No trick engine lights. Everything's perfect. I'm loving it. Like you never use the radio when you have a Ferrari. I love this. There's a bridge, this short bridge coming up over here very soon, and I love the sound it makes going through that bridge. I really wish they'd open up the tracks around here. This car really needs a racetrack. Check out this bridge. Okay. Let's roll out to this a little bit here. Have a happy Labor Day, everybody.